Hi, my name is Pavan Sukhdev. I'm the United Nations Environment Programme's Goodwill Ambassador. At present, I'm a visiting fellow at Yale, where I'm speaking with you now. The Millennium Development Goals worked in part because we were able to set quantitative targets for the MDGs. The quantitative targets set people's focus and minds clearly in a direction. And I think the visible effects are there for all to see. The challenge, of course, is now moving away from just solving for poverty to solving for development. And in that, correspondingly, we need goals to be set. The challenge, therefore, is one of finding out what we will measure. And in fact, when we dig into this, we find that there are broadly two axes which do need to be measured. One is about human development, which is a combination of health and education and per capita incomes, as is measured by the UNDP's Human Development Index, the HDI. And the second dimension of measurement is the ecological footprint, which is the average amount of land and nearshore sea that the average person uses in her life. We need to manage the ecological footprint below the Earth's biocapacity, which, by the way, has been declining since 1992 to 2012. It's gone down from 3 global hectares to less than 2 global hectares per person. And at the same time, maybe if you think about it in two axes, we need to manage the human development so that countries move towards the area where HDI is greater than 0.8 on a scale of up to 1. The challenge, of course, today is that most of the developing world does have a low ecological footprint, but they don't have the right amount of human development. So what we need is, in fact, two different and parallel strategies, common but differentiated responsibilities, one for the developing world, which is to maintain development, but do so in a way that keeps it green, that keeps the average footprint per capita less than 2 global hectares. And secondly, we need the developed world to focus hard on energy and resource efficiency to reduce its per capita ecological footprint, whilst, of course, maintaining its current levels of human development. By doing so, following differentiated strategies but with a common goal, we can achieve sustainable development, and we will only be able to do that if we start measuring what we manage.